Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to mention everyone or @everyone on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now you will be mentioning everyone on only some of the places on Facebook. That will be Facebook post from you or from these posters working on Facebook. You can see where there is a comment on a group or a post, you will be able to mention everyone or @everyone over here. To do that, guys, you can just tap on comment and type in @everyone and just enter your message, guys. And after that, tap on the send button over here, and after that everyone on the group will be mentioned over here. And with that being done, guys, another way or another place where you will be using the mention or the @everyone is on the messenger group. If you are on some groups over here, suppose I'm on the MWRR group, so let's tap over here, and if you type in @everyone on this group and type in a message and send it on the group, guys, then the everyone button will be turned on blue and everyone on the group will be mentioned. And this is how you @everyone or mention everyone on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.